In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a thumbnail generator with n8n. We'll start on the workflows page in n8n. Create or open a workflow and drop in your entry point. You can use either a webhook node if you want to send data from another app, or a form trigger if you prefer a simple form your team can fill out. In that trigger, add a field called video title. This is the one piece of information we'll pass through the whole flow to guide the thumbnail's look and feel. Give the node a quick save so the schema is locked in. Next, add an OpenAI node to the canvas and connect it to your trigger. Set the operation to generate text and pick a capable model, such as GPT-4o. The goal of this node is to turn a plain title into a strong image prompt. Keep your instructions clear and specific. Ask for a concise thumbnail prompt that mentions the subject, desired style, mood, colors, and any composition details that work well on small screens. Reference the incoming video title field so the model can tailor the prompt. Short, vivid guidance tends to produce the most reliable results. Now add a second OpenAI node and connect it to the text generation node. Change the operation to generate image and select the DALL-E 3 model. In the prompt field, reference the output from the previous node so the image model receives exactly the text you just generated. If you're using the expression editor, point it to the text field from the first OpenAI node's output. You can also adjust size and quality here to match your thumbnail needs. With the image created, let's store it automatically. Add either a Google Drive or Dropbox node and connect it to the image generation node. Choose the upload file operation. Set the binary data property to image, which is the default output name from the OpenAI image node. Pick your destination folder so every new thumbnail lands in the same place for easy access. If you like, you can keep file names consistent by incorporating the video title, helping you find assets quickly later. Time to test. Trigger the workflow with a sample title and watch the run. You should see the text prompt created first, followed by the generated image, and finally the file uploaded to your chosen storage. When everything looks good, click Activate Workflow in the top right so it runs whenever new titles come in. You've just built a simple, repeatable thumbnail generator in n8n.